Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin D2 Bravo and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to enter the pairing mode on our watch. To do it, we need to open the menu on our watch. So press and hold the up button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. And once the menu appears on the screen, you can scroll through it by using the up and down buttons, like this. Let me actually lift the watch up and use it like this. So you can scroll through the menu. Now, select the settings icon, or rather, not icon, but option. And once you select the settings, press the start button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu and find the option called the Bluetooth. Once you find it and select it, press the start button to enter. And here we have the option pair mobile device. Select it and press the start button and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now we can go to our iPhone and download and install the Garmin Connect application on it. So let's open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on search and type in Garmin Connect. Now scroll through the list of apps, find the Garmin Connect app, tap on the Get button to install it, and wait until the application is done installing. Okay, once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. If the watch exits the pairing mode, wait. First, let's go to the app, allow the permission for the Bluetooth, then create an account or log in into Garmin account. So basically, if you don't have an account, you will need to create one. If you have an account, tap on Sign In. Check the box, next, and enter the email address and password. Okay, and before you log in, re-enter the pairing mode. So select Try Again and press the Start button. Okay, now let's tap on Next. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. And wait until the watch is detected by your phone. If it isn't, if the application doesn't detect your watch, tap on Browse all compatible devices, tap here on search and type in D2. And you should see D2 Bravo on the list, or Bravo Titanium, one of those. Tap on it, then tap on Start. Yes. Now you need to enter the PIN from your watch. Then tap on Pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Here you can select the watch to be the primary tracker. I'm gonna tap on Yes. Now tap on Done. Allow the permission or deny the permission for the location. Dismiss. And at this point you should see your watch right here at the top of the screen or the menu. You can also tap on More, Garmin Devices, and here you should see your D Bravo Titanium. Now tap on it, and here we have it. We have the settings page for our watch, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.